Hi everyone, here we are at the Dollar Tree and they brought out all of their Valentine's decor, and now look, these pillows came back. Let's take a look at what they have. So we're in the front of the store and here are all of the balloons for Valentine's Day. How nice. Okay, so here are I think this is a 6-pack of the loot bags. Okay, so you have the unicorn ones, the Valentine's Day ones, these, the heart ones, very pretty. And then these right here, I'm going to scan for you so you could see the different kinds of bags. And the tissue paper. Aren't these pretty? I think these are new. Very nice. Then some of these are 3-pack. Look how pretty these are. I love that color pink. Okay, so some of these are 3-pack. Some of them are 2. Like this size right here, this is a 2-pack. Let's see, you got that design, this one. I like this one. The heart ones. Oh, look at this one. Isn't that pretty? I'm really liking that. Okay, so you got that bag, and then you got more tissue paper along the bottom. Then over here you have some rose infused bath sponge. Oh, how nice. This is new to this Dollar Tree. And then they have the little heart elastic bands for the hair. That is so pretty. Look at them. Isn't that nice? Then they have the little glasses, the novelty glasses for the kids. Then over here we have this tinsel heart with the arrow. This is a double heart. I don't know if you could see that. Let me back up because it's a tinsel. Then they have the tinsel garland, and there's the truck. Then over here you have the 3-tier of the heart. Okay. Then over here you have some of the treat bags. Look at that one. Okay. I like those. And here is the table scatter. Well, the glitter vase fillers. And then now we have some purple. I like those. So now we get into the roses. Look at these roses. These are so pretty, aren't they? They look so realistic. Okay, so they have a whole bunch of these like that in a basket. So those are $1 each. And then these are the hanging wall signs, and I believe that home sign is new. Then next to that, the hearts, the hanging hearts. Love each moment, follow your heart. This color here is new. Very nice. Then we get into the trucks and the camper. Whoops, let me move this up here. And these are really nice. Now this, I don't remember seeing this last year. So you get 5 pieces of this love decor sign in the pink glitter. And then you have the hearts. You have the heart lights, the LED lights there. And look, they even have the gnome window clings. That's really nice. Okay, and this is what those heart LED lights look like. And here, oh look, they have the plain one. I'm liking that plain one. This is great for crafting. So now that Happy Valentine's Day heart, that's a burgundy color. That's not red. And I'm really liking this one. So these guys right here are new. Let me back up so you can see that. Okay. Then we have these hanging signs. I think we had these last year. It says, hug, kiss, love. It has that burlap in the middle. Then you have the door hangers. And then you have the felt hearts. And then those glitter hearts, aren't they beautiful? I love the shape of those hearts. You have the bear and the heart, and the bottom you have the buckets. And look, they have the wire. Okay, the wire wreath forms in the heart shape. I like that. So now all the florals were all changed out. Oh, look at this. They have some of these jars. I like these jars. These are really nice. They have these jars, and then those are the Valentine's Day colors, red and pink. So let me show you the florals. So we have this yellow. What is this kind of flower? Let me just look. Okay, I don't want to butcher the name, so I'll just show you the tag. Okay, so we have that in that yellow color and in that coral color. Isn't that beautiful, that color? And look at that purple. Okay, so you got these in those colors and then the roses. That purple is really nice. Let me just scan the rest. Some more florals. I'm absolutely loving these flowers over here. Let me see, I don't know them yet by name. So let me just tell you what they are. They're called, okay. This is the name of that flower. It's absolutely beautiful. When I'm making arrangements, I love using them, and they do come in color. So here's purple. And that white cream color, there's the purple, and I think they have yellow, they have pink, and they have yellow. So this is beautiful for arrangements. Let me just scan the rest of that tree. So now if we come over here, okay, we have, these are new. I think these are so great for crafting. I was so happy when I saw these. So this is a grapevine heart set here. A 5-piece. You can use those for crafting. These are new. Okay, all the way to the top here, and then on the bottom here you have your table scatter. And then these picks are new too. This one says love in the red and love in the pink. Then you have the actual hearts and these. Okay, then we get into some socks. Okay. So now the scarves, this is what they look like. So here's one of those. And then good, they have them all together. So then you have this kind. And then you have, oh look, this one has the truck. That is so cute. And then this one has the sloth, the dog, and the cat. That is so adorable. Okay, so let's go around this bend. Okay, so these are the little reusable totes. Your tote's amazing. Wanna hang? How cute. And that love one is really nice. And there's some more of the infinity scarves. So if we come over here, we have some more socks. And look at this. They have the whole Easter out too. Wow. Okay, ready to flamingo. Be my main squeeze. Okay, the love ones. And here's the gray. That is so nice. So look at how the craft jars are coming. Look at this. I like those tops, and there it is in the green back there. Those are really nice. So these are in Easter, and then this is the ribbon. Okay. Now what are these? This is the pom-pom kit. Okay, so they have that. I think that's the bunny, and then this one here is supposed to be the chick. And then they have the felt stickers. Oh, look at these. I like these. Okay. I get so excited over this stuff. All right, so this is the chick, and there's the bunny, and this is the bunny. So that's the white bunny, and this is the pink bunny. And then they have the felt foam shapes, and then the felt stickers. So that's the bunny. And then this is the carrots. Some more bunnies, and these are the eggs. And here's some more felt kits. That's the chick. Aren't these adorable? And then you have the carrots. I love these carrots all the way to the top here, guys. And then here's the bunny picks for arrangements, and the Easter egg picks. So those come in sizes. These are the bigger ones, 4 in the pack. And then these are 5 in the pack, slightly smaller. And then these are the smaller ones. Those are 10 in the pack. Then here you have your Easter eggs. Okay, they come like this. I never seen these before. So they come like this now. And then they have the speckle ones. So those are out. So if you like those, you got to grab those right away because those go fast. And I'm loving these. There's a Decor mesh along the bottom, and I absolutely love crafting with these. So this is the bunny rabbit. So you get 5 in the pack. Is this 5? No, this one says 8. So 8, so they increased the number. Okay, so you got 8 bunnies and their ornaments. Here's the chick. Here's the carrot. I'm liking that. They used to only have 5, so now they're 8. The chick, and there's the Easter egg. And then you have the little craft. The little crafting things for the kids, so that's the wood ones. And here is the chick, and there's the bunny, and then they have the ceramic crafting, and then they also have the canvas. So you have this kind right here, then you have that kind. Look at that one, and look at this one. That is so cute. All right, so we have the little welcome sign. And then this must be like a pathway. Then here's some steps. And then you have this one. And then you have that one. And look at this. This says ice cream. And look at that one. I'm just going to show those to you. I'll scan those for you. I'm loving the color of that camper. And then you have those garden dishes along the bottom. So here you have some gardening gloves and some more socks. So here's the sloth and the cat. And here's the dog. I don't know, I like that dog. And I like the hedgehog. That's the hedgehog. And look, this one's a dinosaur. What's that say? I'm not sure with one hand. Fierce. So those, I always love their socks. They have such nice socks. Okay, so now here you have the fortune cookies. And they have real fortunes in them. They're made of that foam. So you get 10 inside the box. So I guess these are stuffers for the baskets. So along the bottom, what are these? These are cards, okay. So you got all the cards here, and here are the toys. So those are like the little finger skates. Can you see that? So that's really nice. I never seen those here. And then you have the dinosaurs all the way down, the yo-yos. And then this is Whack-A-Pack with the balloons, and I love these. So you get 4 hearts in the pack. I like those. And then what are these? This is like that looks like a big fortune cookie. It is Lucky Fortune. These are new. I've never seen these. And then you have your stickers here, and here's the pens. And this one has the little truck on top here, the little stampers. Okay, so they have all that to the top, and then you have your erasers, and then you have your pencils. So let me come up close with those. Okay, then you have your little treat bags along the bottom, and these are the burlap ones. So you get 3 pack of the burlap in the red and the pink. Then here's the heart notepad, and this one has the T-Rex, and that's the sloth. And look how cute they have the little paddle balls. The little mini paddle balls. Is that not adorable? Aw. Okay, so here's some more. And then here, some more favors. And you have some more stickers along the bottom. And those are the little gift boxes in the mailbox shape. And then you have the tins over here that says, "Your totes amazing, love." All the way to the end over there where the sloth is. And so this is a stone. This is new. I've never seen this. For Valentine's Day, here are the hearts. I'm loving the fact they're not 5 anymore, they're 8. That is so awesome. So here's a teddy bear, the little coloring kits. There's a gnome that says "I love you." So nice. And then window clings, and here's some stickers. Okay, so this one says "Happy Valentine's Day, love." And look at this heart. I like that. And that one, that is so nice. I like how they did that. This one has the arrow through it. Here's the foam hearts. And then these are the table Those are the felt hearts. And look at these. These look so nice, these little sweethearts. Okay, here's some more foam stickers and the heart beads, the headbands. And this is some deco mesh, I think. Yeah, decorative mesh with little speckles on them. So this is the lighter pink, the darker pink, and the red. And these are the craft jars with the red caps. This is the half apron with the hearts on it. This is new to this Dollar Tree, and so are these. And then you have here some doilies. Then along the top, some sippy cups. You have some tins. You even have some makeup stuff in the heart shape, like the sponges, the makeup sponges, some more flowers along the top, some more of those plastic containers, and those little tin gift boxes. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to look at that Valentine's Day decor, and I'll see you in the next video.